Fixing stranded inventory on Amazon FBA involves identifying the reason for the stranded status and taking appropriate corrective actions. Here's how to do it. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to Stranded Inventory. Go to the Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory. From the drop-down menu, click on Inventory Dashboard, then find and click on Fix Stranded Inventory. Identify the issue. Review the list of stranded inventory items and their associated error messages. Common reasons for stranded inventory include listing errors, ASIN mismatches, and pricing issues. Resolve listing errors. If the issue is related to listing errors, click Edit next to the stranded item. Update the product details to meet Amazon's listing requirements and save the changes. Match ASINs. For ASIN matches, ensure that the product SKU is correctly linked to the appropriate ASIN. If necessary, create a new listing or adjust the SKU to match the correct ASIN. Adjust pricing. If pricing issues are causing the stranded status, adjust the price to fall within Amazon's acceptable range. Ensure your price is competitive and complies with Amazon's pricing policies. Relist or remove inventory. After making necessary corrections, relist the inventory. If the issue cannot be resolved, consider removing the stranded inventory from the fulfillment center to avoid storage fees. Use the Create Removal Order option for this purpose. Monitor inventory. Regularly check the stranded inventory report to ensure no new issues arise and to keep your inventory active and sellable.